Good morning, everybody, and happy Shakespeare Day. I have got a video review today of Presenting Shakespeare, 1100 posters from around the world. We talk a lot on the blog about, reading and the language and the text and the words, but sometimes it's pretty cool to sit back and look at the art that can go along with it and really appreciate it. What this book does is it's just simply collected, sort of coffee table style, over 1,000 Shakespeare posters. And what's exceedingly cool is that you don't even have to understand the language half the time. You can pick your favorite. Let's see, let's do the Romeo and Juliet since that one has the most. And you sort of, let me zoom in on a couple here. You sort of look at the different interpretations. I like the one with the newspaper story. Kind of reminds you of the DiCaprio version. You look and see, what are the common themes, what's completely different. Obviously lots of red here in these. Sometimes some folks want to show pictures. A lot of times we see hands. A lot of couples. There's a couple of really cool artistic ones here on the next couple of pages that I like. Gallop apace, you fiery-footed stallions, toward Phoebus' lodging. There's a cool one. My wife and I were going through this, and I said I liked this one. She's more a traditionalist. She likes sort of the classics with the faces and the things like that and the hand-holding. I kind of like that one. I like the contrast of the colors. With you got to sort of get those guys in the middle here. You got to appreciate what's at the center of it. And what I found really neat, this one in particular comes from St. Mary's Catholic School in the UK. But when you turn the page, you get this version, which I think is very similar because of the whole red-blue thing kind of scowling off at each other. That one appears to be a Polish one. I think that's kind of neat. I mean, yes, it's quite different without the faces instead with the shapes and the things like that, but the similarity between those two is pretty intriguing to me. Is the line about speaking daggers a Romeo and Juliet line? Because that's what comes to mind when I see that. Let's look at a couple others here. Henry V, Henry V. I'm holding the camera with one hand, otherwise I would flip right to the ones that I like. Hold on a second while I switch hands. Maybe I can find the Tempest, since that tends to be my favorite. All the Dreams, a very good one as well. Some Othello. Twelfth Night. Oh. Very strange interpretation of Troilus and Cressida just went flying by. There we go, some Tempest. Words. Der Storm. I kind of like that one. There's another good one with the shipwreck. It's very neat. I mean, you really could spend all day looking at this and just sort of flipping back and forth and comparing the different productions. Pick your favorites, see what the common ideas are. It's very neat. It's, there's not really words to it. I mean, there's an introduction by Julie Taymor, but that's not the goal. The goal is to flip through it and enjoy it. It's what I would refer to as a coffee table book. It's a hardcover. It's a big book. And it's very neat. If it's the kind of thing, if you like to decorate your life and have Shakespeare stuff around the house so that people can come by and, flip through it, it is something to consider. So that is about it. I'll write more about it on the actual blog post, and hope everybody is having a good Shakespeare day. Talk to you later. Bye.